When raw American muscle meets modern precision, this 1980 Pontiac Trans Am 455 doesn't just turn heads, it stops hearts. From its jet black Starlight paint to a rebuilt 455 V8 roaring with Holley EFI, every inch of this car screams power, prestige, and pure adrenaline. Stay tuned, you've never experienced a Trans Am like this before. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into one of the most legendary icons of American muscle, the 1980 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 455, a car that commands attention the moment it rolls into a room. But this isn't just any Trans Am. Oh, this is a PHS verified Y84 and WS6 powerhouse, finished in the stunning Code 19 Starlight Black, with all the original authenticity you could ask for, plus modern upgrades that make it as thrilling to drive today as it was over 40 years ago. Imagine stepping into the golden age of muscle cars, a time when raw power, aggressive styling, and unapologetic presence were the hallmarks of automotive excellence. The Trans Am, of course, wasn't just a car, it was a statement. And this 1980 model elevates that statement to an entirely new level. Every line, every detail screams performance and prestige. The jet black exterior gleams under any light, a mirror-like reflection of the surrounding world, accentuated perfectly by the 19-inch gold Snowflake wheels, a modern homage to the original design that turns heads with every curve. Pop the T-tops, and instantly the car transforms. That open-air sensation isn't just about nostalgia, it's about connecting with the raw, throaty growl of the rebuilt 455 V8. And we're not talking stock numbers here. This engine is rebuilt with Holley Sniper EFI, Edelbrock aluminum heads, and a performance cam, meaning every rev delivers a visceral, heart-pounding response that modern muscle enthusiasts dream about. The 3-speed automatic transmission handles that power with seamless authority, while the WS6 suspension package and 4-wheel power disc brakes ensure every corner is conquered with confidence and precision. Step inside, and the black vinyl bucket interior wraps you in classic comfort. The attention to detail is impeccable. Factory air conditioning retrofitted to R134A, power windows, cruise control, and a retro-style AM/FM/aux radio that balances authenticity with modern convenience. This is a cabin designed not just to be seen, but to be experienced. A place where power meets luxury, where driving is both performance and pleasure. And then there's the story behind this car. Every classic has one, but this Trans Am comes with full PHS documentation. That verification tells you exactly what this car was born with, from its Y84 special performance package to the WS6 handling enhancements. Collectors know this matters. The authenticity, the provenance, the original broadcast sheet, it all transforms a car from a machine into a piece of history. And when you combine that with modern drivability upgrades, you get the perfect blend of collector value and real-world excitement. Now, imagine this car in motion. The Starlight Black paint glinting under sunlight, the T-tops removed to let the wind roar through, and the snarl of that 455 V8 echoing across city streets or winding country roads. Every shift, every throttle input is a reminder of why the Trans Am earned its legendary status. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you feel, a car that makes your pulse quicken and your senses sharpen. And let's talk price for a second. Listed at $66,995, this Trans Am is priced to reflect its status, a verified, upgraded, head-turning example that blends authenticity, performance, and style. In a world where muscle cars are skyrocketing in value, having both PHS verification and modern enhancements makes this car a rare gem. It's the kind of vehicle that not only excites on the road, but holds its value for decades to come. So whether you're a collector looking to add a true classic to your garage, or an enthusiast chasing that perfect blend of vintage muscle and modern reliability, the 1980 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 455 is the car that delivers it all. From its aggressive stance, commanding presence, and open-air T-top experience to the heart-pounding performance under the hood, this Trans Am embodies everything that makes American muscle legendary. And there you have it, a car that is more than metal, more than horsepower, more than a classic. This is the 1980 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 455, a symphony of history, style, and pure performance, crafted for those who demand the ultimate driving experience. If you love this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we've got more ultra luxury, high performance classics coming your way. And trust me, you won't want to miss the next one.